Alright, so it's kind of hard to see, but I've got Kylo, Duke, and Boone all out here off leash. Duke, about 7 months old. Kylo is 6 months old, and Boone is 6 months old, and they all are off leash reliable. One of the hardest things to do is call dogs off of playing with each other, and so that's actually what I'm going to do right here. So Kylo and Duke are playing, so I'm going to call Kylo. Kylo, come! Good job, buddy. Perfect. Good boy. As soon as he comes back to me, I'm going to release him, let him go play again. Okay. Go. Okay. Now they're free to go play again. There's Duke. They go off, go play again. This time, I think I'll call Duke. I'm going to see if Boone will go out and play with him. Go play, Boone. Duke, come. Good boy, buddy. Come here, bud. Good boy, handsome. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, go play. And there Boone goes. Oh, come on, go play, bud. There we go. We'll get into it. I'll call him off next. Okay, Boone, come. Good job, buddy. Good boy. So that's all 3 of them. Off leash recall while playing with another dog. Good job, buddy. Alright, go play. And then they go back to it. This time Boone's pretty into it, so I think I'll call him one more time. Oh, they're coming back. Boone, come! Good boy, you big lug. Good boy. Gosh. Good boy. Okay, go play. Alright, that's it.